Ara llegiré un poema en anglès que no és en absolut cap autotraducció. Potser cal explicar que tota la vida professional l'he fet a l'hostaleria i, per tant, durant anys he pensat en anglès. Sharing art, lumbered with the conscience of living in a time when the utterly unbearable flourishes successfully, denizens of this defiled greatness and dreadful squalor. Even for a moment are we supposed to prize our nagging art, sure of root more than sure of food, we shall not budge an inch, indeed, but we will not boast at all of our sharing art.